1940s have never looked so glamorous.
Wow.
Shona was also really impressed.
Oh, what?
So that's what that feels like.
This luxury in here at the front of the house is off the charts. Luxury in space, luxury in look, luxury in feel.
The vanity is absolutely divine.
There are so many beautiful details in this space.
That's exactly what I was just going to say.
Wow.
The detailing in here is really, really on point. If you look, we have the black strips, we have all the black accessories and tapware, the white and black basins play with the white and black vanity.
So beautiful. She said the pink tiles are a lovely nod to the 1940s, and with the daggy slippers too, it's just enough.
They make me happy, those daggy little slippers. And the colour palette. Oh, down. Floor heating.
Floor heating.
Yes, and a beautiful hydronic towel rail as well, which is just gorgeous. The colours and the palette is right on to the 40s.
And the tapware in particular is stunning.
Oh, yes. What?
This is a guest bathroom. It is part bathroom, part cathedral.
Neil thinks this room shows you can get away with only a few period details if those details are authentic.
Sarah and George have nailed the period reference. They've kept it very simple because really they're just allowing the sheer scale of this bathroom to speak for itself.
And we haven't even talked about there's a separate room for the toilet. Like, not just the toilet tucked away somewhere, a separate room.
Darren thinks this is the best layout you could have done.
Awesome.
He asked the following questions.
Have they met the brief in terms of blending 1940s and 2020?
Yep,
Have they planned it really well?
yep. Does it have emotional appeal?
Hell yeah. I mean, I walked in here and I was like, oh, I'm in love.
Functionality is right too.
Did you see also there's a hand towel rail on this side and on this side? Because you've got actual space in between where you can put all your stuff.
Yep.
Ample storage below. Amazing storage.
Base level storage.
Do we have PowerPoints in there? Yes!
Yes.
Shona was loving the little stool in the shower and the pink champagne flute. It all added up to a very 1940s Hollywood feeling for her.
So I just want to say to them, like, you're doing a bathroom like this. What are you going to do in the master? Please, please bring Hollywood.
But was it perfect? No.
Obviously, you want these rain shower heads to be elevated, but if you've got a diverter, you need to be able to reach it. You wouldn't be able to reach
I
that.
wouldn't be able to reach that.
If you don't wear your high heels in the shower, which I don't know, maybe you do.
Well, with my champagne, I would.
Frankly, so would I. You wouldn't be able to reach that if you're not, you know, at least kind of my height.
Yeah. That was this guy.
Well, they're perfect
Can
for
you
me.
tell the height difference?
Yeah, I don't know.
But for a week 2 bathroom, this is pretty near perfect. Maintain this standard from here, and you're now on track for a great block.
Awesome. It's
That's
good to
it.
hear. Thank you.
Well done, guys.
Yes. Look, those comments just make it all that much better.
We've heard the negative. To finally have something positive after putting yourself through hell, it's a different feeling.
What a feeling.
Wow.